Hey there friends, today I'm going to show you how to make these mini white chocolate mint mousse dessert cups. At a mere 3 ounces, these are not going to be diet busters, but will satisfy your after dinner sweet tooth with their minty chocolatey deliciousness. So let's dive into the recipe. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 8 ounces of cream cheese and soften it. And I found the best way to do that is to put it on in your microwave at about 50% power for 1 minute. That just gets it a little softer. At this point, you're going to add 3/4 of a cup of your white chocolate chips. Mix that together well, and you're going to use the microwave again to soften that whole mixture. And I found the best way to do that is to put it in the microwave at about 50% power for about 30 seconds. Take it out, stir it back, and then put it back in for another 30 seconds at 50% power. I ended up doing that probably 3 or 4 times. You don't want the mixture to get real hot. You're not trying to cook it. You don't want it to be boiling. You're just getting it warm enough so that the white chocolate melts into the cream cheese. So, as soon as you get those white chocolate chunks kind of all incorporated and it's all smooth, you're good. And you can set that mixture aside while we focus on the whipping cream. So for the whipping cream, you're going to take 1 cup of chilled whipping cream and put it in your stand mixer and mix it on high for about 3 to 4 minutes until you've got whipped cream. Just like this is what you're looking for, this consistency. And at this point, you can go ahead and add your mint extract and powdered sugar to your cream cheese white chocolate mixture. And you could have done that before as well. But you're going to mix those all up well and then incorporate this gently with the whipping cream and folding it once again gently so that you keep the air bubbles in the whipping cream so that your mousse is light and fluffy. You don't want to break down that air in that whipping cream. And once that's all incorporated, go ahead and chill your white chocolate mousse for at least 2 hours. It makes it easier to pipe. And I'm using these little weck jars that I had on hand. I use these for all sorts of great little condiments. But I just took the gaskets and the clips off, and I'm going to be taking the lids off too. I've got my white chocolate mousse that I just took out of the refrigerator. And for these, I'm using the Mint Royal shortbreads. The minty shortbread chocolate thing is perfect for what I'm looking for here. I use a piping bag. You don't have to. You can use a spoon if you're much neater than I am. So let's get busy. Need to do a little quality control. And like I said, I'm going to take the lids off of all these because I'm going to be serving them at home. But if you were taking these somewhere, or you wanted to make them in advance and for little snacks for kids, you could put the lids back on them. Keep them in your fridge. They keep nicely for a couple days in the fridge. These Mint Royals fit perfectly inside these weck jars. It was like they were made for each other. So we've got the Mint Royal shortbreads in the cups, and now we're going to get the mousse into the pastry bag. And this is my favorite part. Well, that and eating them. So once again, if you are going to take these on a picnic or be transporting them, maybe don't fill them up this high so you can put the lids on. But if you are keeping them at home and you want to make them extra special, put these little chocolate straws in them. Aren't they cute? These were such an easy dessert to make. Very light, very refreshing. The mint royals on the bottom is the perfect crust, topped with that minty chocolate mousse. I hope this was a helpful video to you. If you want the printed recipe, click the I in the upper right-hand corner of this video. And if you want to subscribe to Nurse and Nestle and be notified when I do new videos, click the nest in the bottom right-hand corner. Thanks so much and have a great day.